Hey again, everybody. How are you? So today we're going to start talking about vowels. Vowels. Here are the vowels in English. Vowels. And today we're not going to talk about the long sounds, but only the short sounds. And later I'll explain that to you. But we're going to talk about the short sounds of the vowels in English. There are 5 vowels in English, 5 vowels. Now, vowels are not just an English trick, okay? They're not just in English. And as you can see here, I've listed many languages or several languages, and every language has or uses vowels. How many vowels are there in your language? How many vowels are there in your language? In Spanish, there are 5, and in Farsi, there are 6, and Ukrainian 6. Do you see any other languages there? But today, we're not going to talk about the sounds as much as we're going to talk about the letters. We're going to talk about the letters. Here are the vowels in English. A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels in English. A, E, I, O, and U. So we're going to see these vowels for 11 more days. These are really important in English. Can you think of a word in English that does not have a vowel? There aren't any. Every word in English, every real word in English, there are some sounds that don't have vowels, but they're not really words. There are no words in English that do not have a vowel. Every word in English has a vowel, and they're very important. Is this an apple or an egg? Is this an apple or an egg? It's an apple. Does apple start with A? Does it start with A? Yes, it does. And what is that sound for apple? What's that sound? Is it a for apple? Yes, it is. It's a, apple. So this is the short vowel sound for a. So we can say this over and over again. A, 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 a. The letter is A, the sound is a. And this is a linguistic way that they show this. We're probably not going to learn this, but these are really just what they use in the study of languages, so you don't really have to know it. But remember, this is an open mouth sound. Your mouth is open. Ah, apple. And here is the letter E, and the sound is like egg. E for egg. It starts with E for egg. And what is the sound of the letter E in egg? Can you hear that sound? Egg. Eh, egg. egg. Do you like eggs? I love eggs. I don't eat eggs anymore, but I love eggs. They're so good. So again, eh, egg. Okay, let's say these again. You can say them with me. E, egg. E, egg. E, egg. Very good. This one's hard, but we'll try it. You know what? That's not an insect. I don't think that's an insect. That's a worm. I don't know why they call that an insect, but anyway, this is what they gave us. I say, okay, so this is this an apple or an egg? No, it's not. Does insect start with I? Yes, it does. And what is that sound of insect? What is the sound of the I in insect? Insect. I. So I makes an I sound in insect. Insect. I. Insect. Who likes insects? I don't like insects. I. Insect. Okay, let's try it. We'll do it together. Let's say it together. I, insect. I, insect. I, insect. So, when I say the word apple, you tell me what sound you hear. I say apple. Yeah, the letter is A. I say apple. And the letter is A for apple. Okay, here's a new one. We want to, this letter is O. And O, the sound of O, the short vowel sound is ah. Do you hear that? It's in the back of the mouth toward the throat. Ah. Octopus. Do you hear it? Do you like to eat octopus or octopi in plural? I do. Do you like to swim with the octopi? Not me. No. Okay. So that is octopus. Okay, let's try it again. We're going to say it 3 times, and here's what we're going to say. O, octopus. O, octopus. O, octopus. Very good. Octopus. Now we're going to do the letter U, and U says These sound very similar, don't they? This one is So, is this an egg? No. Is this an apple? No. What is this? It's an umbrella. Umbrella. And what sound do you hear? Do you hear it? Umbrella. Umbrella. Do you have an umbrella? Do you have a purple umbrella? I'd like to have a purple umbrella. Who likes umbrellas? Okay. And let's try it again. It's a relaxed kind of mouth, and we say it like this. Umbrella. Let's try it again. Let's say it 3 times. Again, we're going to say umbrella. Start again. I'll start with the letter U, umbrella. U, umbrella. U, umbrella. Very good. So here are the letters again, and let's take a look at these letters. Tell me, what is the sound of this vowel? What is the sound of this vowel, the I? What is the sound of the I vowel? It's I, like in insect. I, like in insect. Insect. I. How about you? Like in umbrella. What's that sound? Can you hear it? Umbrella. It's umbrella. Umbrella. How about the sound of A, the short vowel sound of A? And like this word, apple. Apple. What is that sound? Can you hear that vowel sound? Apple. Do you notice that the mouth is open for all of these sounds? The mouth is open. Your mouth is open. Apple. Apple. How about this one? Boy, there they are again. Eggs. So this is E as in egg, egg, egg. What is that vowel sound? Egg. And did we get them all? How about this one more? How about O? O, like in octopus. Octopus. Do you hear the vowel sound? Octopus. All right. Let's find the vowels in your name. Let's find the vowels in your name. So I don't know if any one of these is your name, but we'll try it. So how about the word Maria? Maria. 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 There are 3 vowels. A, I, and A. Maria. 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 Here's my name. This is my first name. This one's a little strange because the sounds are kind of different. But this is Murray. 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 You notice this has a Y in it, and the Y is sometimes a vowel also. And here it's a vowel. It's A is a vowel. So AY makes the E sound here. Murray. Murray. U-A-Y. Murray. Murray. Here's the name Rasia. I don't know. I think there's a Rasia in this class. This has 3 vowels also, just like Maria. It has an A, and then an I, and then another A. 3 vowels. A, I, A. Rasia. Rasia. I hope I'm saying that correctly, Rasia. I apologize if I'm not. Here is the name Olena. Olena, and this has 3 vowels, O, E, A. Olena, Olena, Olena. So every word in English has a vowel, at least one vowel, and these have 3 vowels and 2 vowels, and oh my goodness, every word has a vowel. Even the word I, the word I has a vowel, I.